guys, welcome back to Kanachia Studios, and today I am using the webcam built into this computer that I'm using. I'm on a laptop, as you can see. Wait, can you guys even see that? Oh well, let's get right in. But first I would like to tell you guys that I got a new mic, and this is the one that's recording my voice right now. So let's not waste any more time. So let's zip that back on. And if you're wearing headphones, please turn it down in 3, 2, 1. Okay, there we go, and we'll put that back in there. It's gonna take a while, like a minute or so. And done. Wait, is that done? Yeah, it's done now. Now let's get right in. So let's play. What should we play? How about this one? Let's search at Papa's Pizzeria. Papa's Pizzeria. I thought I had Flash on. You know what? Let's do it. There. Start game. Okay, time to run it. Okay, that's... Pepperonis on one half. So he wants the first tick mark. And it's almost here. Done. Done. Okay, let's put that up here. And we'll go to the topping station and put that back there. Let's make the pizza. I'll put 8 slices of pepperoni on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8. And now into the oven for the baby and me. Let's get that out off and this side off. Okay, let's go back on. So, it's done. It's done. Finished order. I forgot to cut it. Oh. Okay. That will do it for today. Thank you guys for watching. And make sure to turn on post notifications. So, I hope you guys have a great day. So, bye.